Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the iCloud application is not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in WS Reset. Best result should come back with WS Reset here. Go ahead and open that up. Give it a moment. And then once that's done, go ahead and attempt to open up the application and see if that has resolved the problem. If not, you can also attempt to reinstall the program too. So if you're having an issue with iCloud, you're welcome to try reinstalling it. So once you've reset it, I would recommend restarting your computer. You can also attempt to reinstall the application as well, but generally speaking, hopefully that first method I showed should be able to resolve the problem for most of you guys. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.